Welcome to BabyWhiz. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for leaf. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rainbow. A for sun. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. X for xylophone. E for ear. Z for zebra. Yay! That was so much fun! Did you enjoy learning with me today? If you did, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, like the video, and share it with all your dino friends. Want to come back for more fun and songs? Then hit that subscribe button and join the Dino family. See you again next time. Bye-bye.